Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Tropical Storm Philippe makes landfall in Barbuda, forecast to reach Category 1 strength. A calendar has flipped to October, but the tropical threats continue to loom in the Atlantic and East Pacific Ocean basins. Oftentimes, tropical activity will start winding down during the month of October as the season nears its end on November 30th. This year, AccuWeather meteorologists are monitoring several threats into the first few weeks of the new month. Philippe first became a tropical storm back on September 23rd in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. Ever since, the storm has been slowly moving westwards, creeping closer to the North America. Throughout the final week of September, Philippe failed to strengthen into the hurricane because of the persistent wind shear or disruptive winds across much of the storm's path. Even though wind shear is forecast to prevent Philippe from becoming a hurricane through at least Tuesday, portions of the Caribbean can anticipate tropical impacts into the midweek. Tropical Storm Philippe made landfall in the Barbuda on Monday evening about 6 p.m. with the maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour, and this storm is expected to become a Category 1 hurricane later this week while over the open waters of the Atlantic. As of 8 p.m., Philippe was 80 miles east-southeast of the Saint Martin, part of the Leeward Islands, moving west-northwest at 7 miles per hour. Its tropical storm force winds extended out 175 miles. Both Barbuda and Antigua were under the tropical storm warnings. Philippe was expected to continue moving near the northern Leeward Islands overnight, then move north away from them Tuesday. The National Hurricane Center said the Philippe's strongest winds and heavy rains will likely occur after the center passes the islands. By late Tuesday, Philippe will turn to the north-northwest and then move more northward on Wednesday. The latest advisory predicts Philippe's maximum wind speeds to reach Category 1 strength by Saturday. Barbuda and Antigua could get 4 to 6 inches of the rain, while the rest of the Leeward Islands could get between 2 and 4 inches, potentially causing isolated flash flooding, the latest advisory said. Swells from Philippe will affect parts of the northern Leeward Islands, the United States Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico until the middle of the week and could cause dangerous rip currents and surf, according to the NHC. Forecasters are uncertain about what is in store for the Philippe toward the end of its forecast, as a lot depends on how strong Philippe eventually becomes, which has clearly not been very predictable during this storm's lifetime, the National Hurricane Center said late Monday afternoon. Philippe and Rina had interacted last week in an uncommon phenomenon in the Atlantic known as the Fujiwara effect, where two tropical cyclones start to spin around a common point, according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.